Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video you guys are going to be seeing what I eat in a day. So this is going to be interesting. Although the lockdown is almost at an end, I believe we are still going to be staying in. At least I sure am. I'm not stepping out anytime soon, at least not for the rest of the month, unless and until I need to get my essentials. So that aside, I'm going to be trying some new interesting sort of recipes that I saw on the internet, and I also heard a few of them from my mom while I was on call with her yesterday, so that's gonna be really nice as well. So yes, if you guys would like to see me recreate any of your favorite YouTubers recipe maybe or something like that, just keep watching. I may just be doing that. Also, if you like the video, please do go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, because I'm sure we all love food, so give food a thumbs up, that's what I mean. And also hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my other videos coming up, because there's lots more. So yes, I guess that's about it, and let's get started because I am damn hungry. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna prop you guys up here and I will go and gather all the ingredients that are needed, and we'll start making some delicious stuff.
बारीक वाली सूजी यूज़ की है। फिर हम इसमें आधा कप दही और साथ में आधा कप पानी डाल देंगे। तो एक कप सूजी या रवा के लिए आधा कप दही और आधा कप पानी डालेंगे।
But as you guys may have guessed, it's a Kabita's kitchen. I can't talk. Kabita's kitchen recipe. I don't know why, I just woke up today morning and I literally saw this one particular video and I was done. This is exactly what I wanted to make. So, and I also have all the ingredients right here. So let's go and give it a try. So basically it's almost a pizza sort of a recipe, as in the suji or rava will have a pizza filling inside it, and they're basically also pancakes, so that's all great. Also I decided to make myself a little beverage, badam milk. I love badam milk, so this is just a ready to mix one, so I'm just gonna make that and we'll be set for a little brunch. Let's go. On our main stuffing, which I'm really excited about. So I have this other bowl out here, and for the stuffing we need onion, half cup, we need a capsicum, and we need tomatoes. So I have all of this right here. I'm gonna quickly chop it all up. So as you guys can see, it's almost like a salsa type of a situation. So now we're gonna add the pizza topping. I have very little left. Thankfully I'd saved some of it. The hot and sweet sauce, of course. I'm gonna try and make this spicy because I love spicy food, and I will show you guys once I'm done. It smells like one of those pizzas. As a kid, I used to go to Malleshwaram in Bangalore with my parents, and we used to get this pizza at this store which was right beside a temple. I don't know what the name of the place is, but yeah, and I don't know what that was, but yeah. So it smells exactly like that, and I know it won't taste the same, but it just gave me a little bit of nostalgia. So let's continue. I'm guessing I may have to add a little bit of something. Let me go look in my fridge. Oh, almost forgot. I got this from Patanjali, literally. It's the Hot Hill. Oh, it's a red chili sauce. What the heck? Okay, got it. It's the Himalayan cherry pepper sauce. Tastes pretty good. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. I know that's not a little, that's a lot. Okay, mix it up. You mix it up. You mix it up. You mix it up. Alright, this is the veggies mixture, and this is our rava mixture. Looks pretty damn yum. We're gonna start preparing our rava. So we're gonna add some of the batter on a well-oiled and well-heated up pan so that it doesn't stick on the bottom, and then we're gonna layer it up with our vegetable mixture. Make sure it's an even layer so that you get the crunch all over, and then add some more of the batter on top. Flip and cook well on both sides. It's okay if it's a bit crispy, and you'll see the final result now. Alright guys, I am done with this. So I have my badam milk over here, and I have the rava nashta. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like on the inside. It's really juicy and it looks really yummy. I'm gonna do a taste test for you guys, right? Okay, let's give this a try. Why does this taste exactly like a pizza? That is super delicious. I mean, why didn't I ever try this before? Well, that's the first recipe for the day. This is of course brunch, and now I'm just gonna eat and then chill for a while. Towards the evening I'm gonna have a cup of coffee, and we'll see what we're gonna make for dinner very soon. I'll catch you guys then. Until then, I'm just gonna dip out this goodness, and I hope you guys give it a try. I'll leave the link to her recipe video below in the description box to give it a try. Hello guys, so outfit change, and I have my coffee over here, which I'm very excited about because I didn't have coffee in the mornings. Wow. So the power cut was definitely a major fail, but here's what we're gonna have for dinner. I have some atta and some leftover dal which we're gonna use. So what we're gonna do over here is we're gonna add the dal into the atta, but before that do add a little extra salt as well as chili powder into it, because once you turn it into a dough, the atta tends to neutralize the taste of the dal. So go ahead and do that. Add as much as you would. You could also add any other sort of seasoning if you want. It's all up to you. But we're gonna turn it into a dough, and then obviously we're gonna make chapatis out of it, or rotis, however you would say it, and then go ahead and eat it. This in particular was extremely delicious. I just had it with some ghee and a chutney powder that my mom makes. Yum as hell. I mean, that was so good and a very fulfilling and nutritious meal indeed. So do go ahead and try it and let me know what you guys think. I may also do a small detailed recipe of the same if you guys would like. And yeah, that's what this recipe was about. Also, full credits to my mom to this. Thank you for the idea, guys. Mom. That's it for today's video. The last recipe was so simple yet so delicious. I do have some leftover which I will have for breakfast tomorrow, which is great, and it was nutritious as well, which everyone loves a nutritious dinner, right? So that's obviously the best way to end your day. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you guys liked all the recipes that I showed, even though I didn't have too much of a snack or something in between, which I'm actually very proud of because I'm a snack person. Okay, I didn't snack upon anything, maybe except the 2 biscuits with my coffee. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video very, very soon. So you know what to do. Subscribe. Go ahead. Good night, guys. See you all. Bye.